episode for GC News. Mema Obibia Akwaba. Ahade latest and hot news. Nkwa enamede bramo. Enuti so nyan subscribe to channel dia bomodi ase obe subscribe. The obe an say obe click the subscribe button. Na wa bele notification. We understand new video be upload no. When the first person won sa ebe kan sa video. Afi we na wa like video no. Give us a thumbs up. Na fi shema oforo so na when you be here na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memu ha afi yenhwe ensemo abeto yepno so yenti sa report ya ababetudwa yenti sansemi
this was the chat. Joe Anochi was in the chat. Any Movanche Joe Anochi. There's the chat. Hi, bro. All is well. Ofori J 0244634762. Mon check his number no quick. Yaw Kwache +1313-732-7874. Monfra Yaw Kwache, WhatsApp, the email address ni Joe Anochi, the number near +12405932678. Ghana 02323300588568. We'll come back to you regarding website. I'm create a whole website. Raphael Kwam, unya piece of America. You go to jail. I will make sure you go to jail. Oko Ghana, you have clearance as somebody who works for the federal government. Oh, what am laptop ko Ghana? Oko hack elections. You go to jail more than 20 years. You. Mon frère mo. Ma men san fa ba ko nchira mo kwasiafo we mo. Hey, mo ni information nipa wo mo ho ahu. Eni tana me hwe mo no. Me so mo ju se Ghana fo ejimi ohun. Me ba ba kira mo email chain. Email. Me ba metchero nyama bebre mo, metchero mo nyama bebre. Me pese unyabote. One day me adwuma we nyina, mo betchero mo abo mo. Me nim de besi wo Ghana. Into this is the charter. Na omujin say very secured. Oh, what is this? Me yasebe nyan ende ba America kribi be chem ka kribi be se me kire wade bi. Oh, now look at this. This is some of their chat. Oh, chat no eni ofori number na was 02332446, the same number. Now pick this. Mo from dear ofori, thank you for facilitating the remaining payment, $1.2 million. I will not disappoint you with the work. I will send you the time of operation before midnight today. Ghana. Be kire mu date no. Wait, this a message. This is how they were thinking of hacking and giving you people numbers. Elections, no? Yeah. The hacker was hacked in Ghana. All right, I'll go. They built a whole emailer, a chatter, and then they break election system, no? And it's not easy to me number, no, because easy was supposed to take results from those people. Anoche, I'm gonna cover akwa we buy. Joe Anoche na mass small boy we free America buy. Joe Anoche, on na cover go. Mama chira de akwa. Mo nyama me chira me kan say nyama minim no, me chira mu nyina mbowu. You see this? Dear ofori. Eni mo hwe ni nyina ofori. Mo amunim ne no. The status ne say that here. Dear Ofori, I understand that you have set everything up and ready to move forward. Please follow the instructions I provided regarding the malware. So they were going to create a virus, and then they will use that. And then I almost send the brand will say, oh, click this. Bawumia says hello. Akosua Menu says hello. It was all to enter your system. Election day, I'm messing up. And I'll handle the rest. Please inform the big boss. The big boss is who? That I cannot proceed unless the remaining payment is sent. Thank you. End to end. Oh, you know, say end to end. End to end, they say yes. Message and calls are end-to-end encrypted, and them outside of this chat. This is what they came to do before the elections. You know, they had set up. I'm not even a lead here. NSB, National Signal Bureau. Benjamin and Samo, Bernard and Samo. Yes, anyway. Now my men show email. Me mom me say, why we need Raphael Kwam no catch and say Kevin Taylor so we could jail. This is their email chain. Samsung keypad or keyboard contact Ghana top. Dates in on device dates time when we use device you see 227 1141 1141 about top almost 30 and past 6:27 a.m. Now you see system UI 281920 Chrome machine on the air. Call me on this number 020-058-8568. Thanks. And Amobaha, dear Ofori, I understand you have set. So this same conversation on WhatsApp, no, they moved it to the email. And in Tianomokacha say they will win the elections before 9 p.m. Yes, because they were very sure, say Raphael Kwam, Moba, they were going to do the job for them. Because Omo Raphael Kwam ni take it and say obedru on the day that day na adyechi no free Ghana. Into Raphael Kwam no na Juma say to finish the hacking and adjuna he leaves Ghana. Yeah. But Raphael Kwam no obeto jata wa Ghana. So he could not proceed. He came with a criminal intent. Into what they did and they say na Omo no NCA. No, we are the NCA into the idea, and it's not easy and to be mama results. No, not easy. No, almost trying my NCA for I prepare results. Now, mama NSB. Mamika bin show National Signal Bureau. Old National Security Office. No, a hot and a normal year. Mamika maybe almost Facebook for hackers. No, Mamika. Oko coffee shop. Opposite coffee shop. No, there is a building white blue gate. Be the whole a building and almost social media hackers. No. Right now, when you go to coffee shop, opposite coffee shop, no, there's a building there, a dive or white gate, a honor rentiama, a Jubilee house, a the hackers, and a honor that blue house, blue gate. Monko Muguo. I'm a boom in the Mokumu. What's your forward to Ghana? We didn't go as I'm not she NPP for the Kofa Raphael Kwam by. Now, also, or stop this problem, no. And yet, Ghana Police Service. Oh, Jimmy, and you know where the head of Police Council, Jimmy. Why are you not telling the IGP to make sure security now Ghana? But we Jimmy pa. Oh, I don't want to catch him. I call with Jimmy. Ya can't be beba. I'm reading statement, no. Oh, some catch him so we Jimmy. On shoulder on nim yansebia. Now, let me read the Bawumia statement, now. This is Bawumia statement. Nanda Ghana, when a shansa, Kwasiato and Shamunsa, when I hand it over Mahama. Nobody has handed power to Mahama. And no channel Pamu Free Jubilee House where Jimmy. Let's read the nonsense from Bawumia. This is Mahamadu Bawumia statement. Bawumia Jimmy Kra or Jimmy Kra. This is Bawumia statement. Muntie. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, please call your supporters to order to preserve the peace and unity of the country. I have noted with deep concern the embarrassing state of lawlessness and thuggery being unleashed on innocent Ghanaians and state institutions by members of the National Democratic Congress. Where is your evidence? You are a foolish man. Now, I wish to call on the President-elect, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, to exhibit statesmanship. To exhibit statesmanship. Where is the statement even? To exhibit statesmanship by reigning in his supporters in order to preserve the peace and unity of the country. There have been many incidents of NDC members besieging coalition centers with offensive weapons to forcibly declare NDC parliamentary candidates as winners of some parliamentary contests. We believe that this is not in keeping with the democratic culture we are all trying to nurture. Jimmy, my main kind of cancho. Now, this is the second statement from Bawumia, and the statement, this is the second part of it. Jimmy, I am so saddened by the indifference and silence on the part of Mr. John Dramani Mahama and the NDC in relation to the violence and mayhem being unleashed on members of the NPP and other people perceived to be sympathizers. These wanton acts of lawlessness and brutality have been extended to state institutions and public offices, looting and stealing state properties in the process. As a result of this, some public offices were forced to close for business. In a bizarre twist, these barbaric acts are being extended to private homes and properties of individuals, with some receiving death threats. Jimmy Nikoso say it is regrettable that these reprehensible acts are being perpetrated following an electoral process that has been widely touted as credible. We must at all times place the national interest over and above any individual interest. I would like to remind President Mahama that he has won an election. He has not staged a coup d'etat. He has a responsibility to contribute to protect lives and property. Now, I'll say, I believe President Mahama and NDC know that if these acts continue, people will be compelled to take reasonable steps to defend themselves. The last thing anybody wants is to mar the beauty of the successful election that has just been concluded. Mr. Mahama and the NDC should demonstrate that they are not reluctant Democrats. Thank you. Mahamadu Bawumia sama wacho nyumbre say, I or catch John Mahama say, on country NDC for na NDC for enjoy etutrasem. Na ono de onim say etutrasem ekoso Ghana ha no NDC for kwasia. Where is your evidence? You are still the head of the police council. You are the head of Ghana police. You are a foolish man. And these are the filthy, dirty people. Also, the actually say, oh, Bawumia there. He said, well, Jimmy, one no whiskey, no church on Kwasasem. Today, Ghana, Ghana, who is in charge of Ghana? You are a foolish man. Why not? And nam Ghana, how watch NDC ni say, machi NDC that cause the problem. You are a foolish man. Where Jimmy? And you people are not supposed to be considered. Oh, NDC for her. Someone NPP for way opportunity to work freely in this country. I swear to God, we and you people, mundi 1 year in power. And this is your Mahama. I swear to God. Mama Bawumia Campaign when NPP akron for yo mono. Mama move room in Ghana to fool like this. You people within a year, John Mahama, you are out of power. We are telling you people. These people are not even supposed to be talking in Ghana. And just a day, and they declare election, so they are blaming you for their stupid thing. And today, this foolish, dirty old soul who has lost an election miserably in the history of Ghana, Kwasiabian lose the election, say that over 6 million votes. Nipana stretching over 2 million. Jimmy, for Jimmy Koda. Bawumia Jimmy, for Jimmy Koda. Kwasiato kachira oyere na wababa ni nemu nam game pane say uncle consistently security. Ghana ni etino when you head of police council today, you are a foolish man. Oya kwasia. Is Mahama the commander in chief of Ghana Armed Forces? Now Ghana police no more. What is the job of the Ghana police service? You are a very stupid man. And we are not going to entertain you people again. Whatever we will do to come after you people, we will do it. Because at this point, you cannot reason beyond your stupid politics. Now, some kwasiade when I just say NPP before, but some be a flag bearer nana. Some with Jimmy some way, and a massa be a side mono. You win John Mahama bought 2 million votes in the history of Ghana. You won't Jimmy will lose to say that in the history of Ghana. When I Jimmy will lose pa. The whole Ghana since 1992 you talk about Jimmy will lose with the wider margin. And you are the head of the police council. Go to the police headquarters and make a decision. You are a foolish man. Cause yeah, what can we good them some kuko? And I will catch NPP for some kubo too. What can we good them some kuko and kuko? We make good them some kuko. Foolish guy. Jimmy, ye Jimmy tina wabedru hanne. What can we manage good them some kuko? And man out the attrition musema muntu say the anidi. What can we good them some kuko? And I bo biba to water Jimmy. Wabegina TV say, wabegina Facebook say, John Mahama and take a decision. Kwasia, you are still president till 7 December, January. Kwasia, 33 policies, no the breme. Ujina stage and now was say ekono. So 33 policies, no kwasia, me why don't you take the same opportunity to take a decision? San kwasia for mo NPP for muja o mo NDC for muja kwasia for ya. Adie be mo kurum ha no. Mo aban kura nya mo de. I'm telling you people. Hello caller.
Yes, hello. Please, you can just check on their letter. That is the agreement among political parties.
Go ahead.
Hello. Yes, in Damawu constituency, There is no CPP representative here. It was an independent candidate. It was the NDC, the NPP, and the CPP. No CPP candidate, parliamentary candidate was involved. So this one is a fake letter.
Thank you very much.
There was no CPP candidate. It was an independent candidate, and both the NDC and the NPP.
NPP for Yabeshemoka. Yabejemokas. Me say, Bawumia, listen. Ma bonipa to Ghana for 8 years. So Bawumia, you do not speak. NPP forecast Yabesheno. I am telling you. Oh, NPP Nibia or Ghana and there now Akufo Addo aban. Be careful. Yabejemokas, Yabejemodine. We will come to your homes because of Mahamadu Bawumia. He is in charge of security in Ghana. The NDC supporters say NPP for you so easy to do any damage. We will come after you, the NPP. Abronye, Chairman to me, Miracle Abuaje, yes, Samuel Abujinapo, more NPP for we will come after you. We know where all your properties are. I mention more properties in Kwasia for. You be treasure to. It's a foolish guy. More properties, baby. I'm starting from Lord Comey and Amaka in Kwasia. I didn't even want to start this now, but this is what we are going to do. Jimmy, what Samira Bawumia Kwasia we will see hotel. Ojeska foolish man. You, this you see. Let me show you this building. Omo frontier mamo. Those who are fronting for you fools. Kwasia for this apartment. Mamencho, you be trejatum. Mudisi Jimmy on mo Bawumia de mabetu position we. You be shimu japadi nyina Ghana. Yeti krom ha. Kwasia for mo. Moyan kwasasam ye kano na mo start to Facebook Jimmy mo ho. See this, I will show you people. You see this property? My mention nipa ene dia. Metchem location kwasiafo. We didn't want to do this, but we are going to start this. Now, this apartment, Fifth Avenue apartment. Lord Comedia. Now, this apartment, rich condos on the frontier ma Lord Come. I'm going to come show all the addresses where they are. This one belongs to Lord Come. Rich condos. He is the one fronting for Lord Come. Your friend Fifth Avenue apartment. Lord Come dia. Now, make sure the location where it is. Where rich condos Kumasi. Now, Mama Chow Nina. Me chow bakwe Agyarko. Let me show you the Agyarko one. Kwasiafo Lord Bawumia. Ya bet Modi am 7 December yeso Mahama in we na mo se nipa ejim okromu siafo. Let me show you. Mo jimi na mugu Ghana ho. Nkwasade am ye nyina yen kan bibia. Also the kwase abetena say you should blame Mahama for nkwasade a easy. We will burn all your houses, we will burn your cars. We will prove to you people say adena mo be wi no ye be shiri nyina me nyina tena kromu kwasia. Now this property, Agyarko, this property. Make some properties in na. And you for more yakasi come as more Ghana and come ye better Ghana ho. This meba, Mamin Chiro. This one. Sir Edawi. Mamin Chiro, Kwasia for. You will ye best shimu dining mo ye best mona medwin say muni munyansa. I thought you people were intelligent, but end them the moon so Bawumia we Jimmy. We Agyarko. It belongs to Lord Come. Me ba be chiremu where a luxury apartment. Your friend Fifth Avenue luxury apartment. It belongs to Lord Come. This apartment is jabetum. Now say Bawumia no the head of police council. We will see what will happen in Ghana. Now, Mama Chow Adie. Me chiremu kusibu ating o Bawumia. Hey. Meba. This one is for kusibu ating. He's making some small boy front for him. Kwasiafo, what be Joseph Mahama is to take blame for Monkwasi Ade Amoye. This one belongs to Kusibu Ating. There's a small boy who is fronting for Kusibu Ating. These are the kind of apartment. And you people will come and prove to us where you got your monies to be building these apartments. Where Kusibu Ating apartments. And there's this small boy who is fronting for Kusibu Ating. This is the boy who is fronting for Kusibu Ating. This is the boy who is fronting for Kusibu Ating. This boy. Odona Kusibu Ating apartment. You be Freda Basi ID officer Bushan say, "Ono onche the baby oye juma nye sika. To sa dan no. Kwasia me say lifestyle audit ye be busamu nyina. Now this boy, he is the one fronting for Kwesi Boateng. Metre momo properties in nyina BBC, and you answer questions. This boy, this is the guy me can answer me when Kwesi Boateng sika no we wi nyina boy we di mu na wo. All the apartment and properties of Kwesi Boateng akwa, it is in this boy's name. He will be called to tell us how he made money to build all these estates. Kwesi Boateng sika and all that boy we di mu. And let me tell you, you people have no idea. Me say the day John Mahama will be sworn in, sir, day no, 10 hours after John Mahama is sworn in, the law in Ghana will not work. Now, but me can be binchamo. Sir, a dynama church, metro may be a war, Nina or Jirgano, baby a Nina see. Metro more, this boy will have to come. Kwesi Boateng properties, Bawumia properties in Kwasia 4. I'm just here, Jimmy Anna. Hey. Ye betwe jatum ye bese akwhyemo mo dia mo mbampa na 7 January number na 7 January ni beduru krum ho na ye so John Mahama in na John Mahama ko ni power for 24 hours onim Ghana ntira ye nim be bia sikali nyina ahye sa Rock City Hotel no ye nim be bia mo vote ni nyina awo kwasiafo mo yesi anim be bia mo vote ni nyina awo Ghana we know ejabia beto mutirim no wo Bawumia you have no idea kwasiafo yesi ejimi those boys now mo front ma mo ni nyina no. We will show you people where your vote is. Kwasiafo, your best dining in Agufom. And the John Mahama on the team, they making sure said the law works. Obia Watam Ghana Sikebia should come and prove. By the way, he needs to be called by Ed and the CID office. He needs to come and tell Ghana for how he made the money at Atlantic Bank. Kwesi Boateng accounts in Anidina Daso. How he was able to build all these estates. Me say, some estate. The baby says, how did you make the money to build this? Where did he get the money to buy this? Where did he get the money? A honorable nipa tata nipa. We Ghana mbram.
And a campaign now, so do a campaign now, so the message wasn't flying. We'll be our buyers, so we're economist. One being Kufokra economy, why? Because Kufosu names or Kawakas and Yano Cra, party them ever buffer with the ultimate President Kufosu who himself Yano Cra. Who himself deputy. Governor, dining near the man of Stanbic, Stanbic MD, or so ultimate. And I come back out, Chona the man. Oh, some no, you say a party to ultimate car. And yes, be too much, and said the records no.
Local patches said Dr. Bawumia National means I said, oh, media, the Kofoga can, my Rígging, my Zimbabwe, my who change, and I made me who here. That's it. Don't be what different, your Candiana, Cassan doors, and a paper, so maybe Paul be trauma to make deliver nice one more freely. So I say, again, you share Juma 1 year records. What I say, and the other here. Let's go for him. Oh, the economy, I feel pay your two baby. You have a campaign. NPP frame. What's it? Also, Asante Omakosi Opempe, the first hall, Amokum. Maybe I do be part of Amokum. What's honorable election? People are there want to know economy maybe a dream, maybe a decor. Change your back. Yes, what man can digitization, comfort person who economy no entire campaign no and fly it is a name koye. Can you imagine? Some of the speakers in the journal say galamsey the interview stop no confirm Mali and Abana omoye na obia power crowd. O party o government on their commander in chief. Now be Gyamfi do suka sa asem we na ko TV suka bia the che say o president no week pa say the opponent no ya dey say the party kunum die one tran wa say you see afi me tio message na say I go for are they serious now say ko campaign enkwada na nkofo fees o mo bokro no ye wi engine for land by force you move with them. That's about me. I'm also the change ba. Kofu edi lechi. Almost kwa ne kofu akofo buofu. The change the play na ba. Are they going to appoint the same people? People are pissed off. They can't show them there. Use new face. No one say back with something new. That's the same old face. More issues. It's so unfortunate. It's a party. You struggle. Do baby say pa. Now we vote no tie no mess
The way the crown was Asante regional, the way it's a close vote, no, Obuasi West. 33,000 2020. And the Kogo 18,000. From 33,000. You could go for Tróuble and you know, some of my day. Mamu Bosui. To going forward, my thing say, party no, say, per se, your queer name, you were Jumaya.
And so you decide your queen, a self-inflicted ma and Susan Quay say, and I said,
I don't get the point you're making. Self-inflicted.
Say, Bia, Niamana, one more party now, yeah, no, and Susan Sona at this resource.
I know Kwabena 70%. I know Kwabena 70%. I know me, I'm in the party, and I talk to people. People think, say, me no, me can't imagine. Until Obu and this year, what you didn't come be. NPP near, on me no. And yeah, I make what you consult you with say no, be able to catch me. So I say, people are free to. Timmy who says, oh, it got to a point. Me were paying me fee. Amazon there's 3: France, UK, US. Come up be a call, no. They're dangerous. Oh, maybe we know everything. Amazon there's so you say, and no be a movement will look to be this can be copied. Ghanaian, hey, a bit to John Mahama Bediatuo. As I always can be on mechanical show. Oh, the amount of busy. On my turn on back, my BBNC scare flying, the amount of busy.
Scare fly.
Oh, Massa. They call Guyana. What no one go on. I don't.
Yeah, Guyana.
Oh, now investment. Oh, I said oil, you know, blocks no more. Oh,
Guyana.
Oh, yes. Massa.
Yeah, Ghana for the.
Oh, yes.
I'm for.
Bedru. They do a message and won't be out back committee anymore. Wow. Yeah, because we had Ghana first. I'm telling you.
It's what we never be what I say.
Oh, they say Ghana first. They do a me presenting paper. I know almost why I galamsey illegally. They say DC for okay, was Easter. The issue I met a problem no. Have been Papa can't hard to be it's unless said the DC, the MP, and then the chairman are involved. I dance here. Asia Nanado. I can't show also for Letama, also by your devil says Uncle Fonado Moyandia. See, National Security for report as a show. Still, yeah, Asare appointed with the same people. I was saying, what's going on? I'm mum dear. I dance for Muti, and me, I dance 100%. Confond, yes, I don't plan.
You waiting for winning and somewhere about better. Yep, no so make out say so when you subscribe, yeah, but more say over subscribe to channel. Now, feel well, like the video, give us a thumbs up. Now, feel share my offer for us. So now, when you be here now, who and somewhere also, Ghana memoha. Also, bet me otchere wadwin afire somewhere in our comment box in Mobati Minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.